We are heading to Zermatt today via kind of a little bit off route, but some vineyards, and we were meant to do that yesterday but we didn't have time, so we're going to head to some vineyards just to get, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so I think it's definitely worth seeing. And then we're going to drive to a car park just because Zermatt is car free, so you've got to park your car at the base and then get a train. It's only 12 minutes, a train up to Zermatt because it's a car free village, which is cool. And it's going to be thunderstorms later, so I'm not sure what we're going to be able to fit in today, but we'll just take it as it comes. Yeah, if you don't know and you're wondering what I'm on about, we are currently on a summer road trip in Switzerland. We've just finished in Montreux, so check out those vlogs if you haven't seen them. And now we are heading on to the mountains. Don't think I've shown you the car for this road trip. We got a Mini Cooper. First impressions. It's not very comfortable, and the GPS already let us down by taking us on some roads that were actually closed, so we had to do a massive detour. Thoughts on a Mini Cooper?
Yeah, no, I think that sums it up fairly well.
But the longest drive we're doing this trip is like 3.5 hours, so it will do.
It strikes me as a style over substance car.
Ooh. Just driven 20 minutes to Lavaux. This is the vineyard region of Switzerland. Look how pretty. Unfortunately, it's just a bit too hot to do proper walking through the vineyards, but it's very pretty. I'd recommend on a cooler day just having a meander and a picnic lunch and stuff around here. So I think we're going to head to Zermatt now, but we're going to stop off at some castles en route, so it's going to be a leisurely drive. Just driven for an hour and landed in Sion, which is where they have a famous castle on top of a hill. I don't know if we're going to walk there, but we're walking uphill to somewhere, so we'll see where we end up. We made it! It's the Matterhorn! Just arrived in our hotel. We're staying at the Chester Valesi, and this is our bed. Got a coffee machine. The bathroom, which is much nicer than the other one, just so much bigger and cleaner and brighter. We also have a balcony. I'll take you outside. This is a cute little balcony with little fluffy chairs. I think the Matterhorn is behind us. Oh no, that's, well, you can't really see it from here, but I think it's quite cloudy, so its peak would be like here, but you can't really see it. And I think it's about to rain, so we might get some cool thunderstorms tonight. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. What are you eating? Chocolate. Just walking through the town en route for coffee. On the hunt for coffee, I should say. Uh-oh, look what we found. Time for tournament number 2. Let's hope I win again. Yes. Come to the mountains to play some mini golf.
And it's time for the Swiss mini golf second match to take place at Zermatt. Marta to tee off.
Yes.
Oh my lord. This is why I lost. That is a solid start.
No.
Result.
You cut me off. You. 3. Lawrence's turn. If you could hit one of the bars, that'd be great. Brilliant. Thank you. Wait for it. Wait for it. Canada. Canada. So I'm 1 up already. Yes. Yes. Steve Perry. You're trying to get 7 again, like last time. No, put it together,
please be
man.
quiet, Mark.
Put it together. I was getting annoyed. I was getting.
Versus 3. And what do you...
Unfortunately, I lost by 1 stroke, guys. So we're now drawing. So the next one is going to be an important game. And the clouds are lifting off the Matterhorn, so...
I couldn't hit a barn door with a shotgun at the moment.
You're not meant to hit with golf. That's what you're doing wrong. Take a wild guess where we're eating. Can you tell from the cutlery selection?
Don't know. Left it off.
So before our fondue, we've got a selection of meats and cheese, and over here is our vegetables. Lawrence is ready to pounce. Look at that. He's like, come on, come on. The bread has arrived. The potatoes have arrived. The fondue is here, but it won't focus. Yes. Got my bread. Stabby, stabby. That's hot.
Yeah, let it cool, monkey.
I want to eat it.
You can eat it now, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just eat it. How good is that?
Ah. Jeez. Whoa.
You watch the right and I'll watch the left. Or the other way.
Whoa.